Welcome to Best Gadget Channel.
Immerse yourself in true 7.1 channel surround sound from an ultra-slim soundbar. The YSP2700 features Yamaha proprietary digital sound projector technology with 16 speakers powered by 16 amplifiers, creating sound beams that reflect off room walls to surround you with sound coming from the left, right, and even behind you, delivering lifelike sound with remarkable presence, detail, and clarity. The YSP2700 features Musiccast, a new way to bring music to every room wirelessly and control it all with a simple app. Designed to work with your home Wi-Fi network, Musiccast offers access to a huge range of content, including streaming services, internet radio, and digital libraries. Add Musiccast wireless speakers and components in other rooms for the ultimate in whole home audio. High-performance HDMI connections provide the latest high-definition video and audio. Conveniently stream music from your smartphone via Bluetooth and AirPlay. The YSP2700's elegant design beautifully complements any entertainment space. Place the discreet 2-inch tall center unit in front of a TV without blocking the screen, or mount it on a wall. The wireless subwoofer needs no cables, so it can be conveniently placed anywhere. Revel in movie theater and concert hall sound quality right in your own home with the YSP2700 Musiccast Soundbar.
Samsung home entertainment experience and relentless innovative drive, combined with Harman Kardon's 65+ years of acoustic design expertise, bring you the ultimate home theater sound. Samsung Soundbar Q70R. Immersive sound, optimized for QLED. Three front-firing channels. Deep bass provided by a dedicated woofer. And two up-firing channels maximize the surround sound effect, utilizing Samsung's proprietary acoustic beam technology. All these support Dolby Atmos and DTS:X sound formats, providing a richer, more cinematic surround sound experience at home. The evolution of soundbar technology didn't just stop at audio development. Immersive sound, optimized for QLED. Wireless TV connection via Wi-Fi avoids the clutter of unnecessary wires for a clean, sophisticated look that's simple to operate. One remote for both your TV and soundbar at the same time. Game Mode Pro automatically activates when your game console is turned on. Up-firing speakers provide rich, optimized 3D sound for more exciting, immersive gameplay on your QLED. Adaptive Sound automatically adjusts to optimal sound settings for sports, movies, and all other types of content you watch on your QLED. And when you need to watch TV quietly at low volumes, dialogue can still be heard clearly.
Harman! You're on your own, don't die!
Seamless HDR 10+ experience in immersive picture quality and rich, captivating sound for a truly next-generation viewing experience. Immersive sound, optimized for QLED. Samsung Soundbar Q70R.